English Bhar Bharati Standard 1. So what we can see on the front page? Yeah, here are some children. And squirrel is also here. And rabbit is eating a carrot. So how many boys are here? 1, 2, 3. And how many girls are here? 1, 2 and 3. And teacher is teaching. Lesson 1. A happy song. Listen, sing and act. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk around together. Jump, 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 jump around together.